Hi everyone, I'm Poland. Today I'm going to share with you all Form 4 Chapter 9 Solution of Triangles. So for this chapter, we only have 4 formulas. The first and the second formulas, we are going to use that to find the length of a side of triangle and also the angle. And the third and the fourth formula, we are going to use that to find the area of the triangles. So since we are dealing with triangles, at first, we need to draw a triangle first. Let me call my triangle A, B, C. I will use different color to write. So big A, it represents the angle A. Okay? And then for big B, it will represent the angle B. Big A represent angle A, big B represent angle B, and big C, it represent angle C. And the opposite of the opposite of angle A, the length will be known as A, small a. Opposite of angle B, the length will be small b. And the opposite of angle C, the length will be small c. After we have all these, then let us start with our first formula. First formula is known as sine rule. Sine rule. In sine rule, we have sine angle A over its length equals to sine angle B into its length equals to sine angle C over its length. Okay? And the second rule will be cosine rule. Cosine rule, we will have A squared, the length, small a, equals to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. The thing that you have to pay attention is, if the length that we want to find, the length of the side that we want to find must be same with the angle. Okay, A and A, B and B, C and C. And for this, BC cos A, look at my hand. BC cos A, my angle A. Okay, B, C cos angle A. So you don't have to force yourself to memorize. You just need to remember, okay, I want to find this angle A here. I want to find this length. Okay, I want to find this length. Then I need to use the angle opposite of it. Then you use B, C cos angle A. Same goes to here. B, C cos angle A. Same goes to here. B, C cos angle A. So you see, this is so easy. After that, let us have the formula for area of a triangle. In lower form, you have learned that area of triangles equals to 1/2 multiplied by base multiplied by height. Correct or not? Don't forget about that formula. But in this chapter, we are going to use the formula 1/2 BC sine A, which is the same. You can use your hand to help you. Okay? BC sine A, BC sine A, BC sine A. This is the third formula. And the fourth formula, there's a name. Heron's rule. Heron's formula. With the formula, area of triangle ABC equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. After that, we square it. Then you might be curious, what is S? Yes, Heron's formula, it can only be used when you have all the lengths of A, B, C, all three sides, only you can use. Why? Because S is equals to A plus B plus C over 2. S equals to A plus B plus C over 2. After you have this, only you substitute it inside. Understand what I mean? So this is basically what do you need to learn in this chapter. And for sign rule, we have a case which is known as ambiguous case. Later, we will discuss about that. Okay, so now let us check on our first example today. Today we are going to talk about one question only, and then the other 2 questions I will leave it for another 2 videos. Let's look at this question. The diagram below shows a quadrilateral KLMN. My dear friend, you have to remember that a quadrilateral, it is formed by quadrilateral. It has 4 sides, right? It can be formed by using 2 triangles. Let's look at this. This quadrilateral KLMN, it is actually formed by joining up triangle KLM and triangle KMN. Do you agree? Yes, right? So, let us see. A part 1. Find the length of KM. Find the length of KM. This is what we want. The length of KM, this line. So when we want to find the length, we just check on 2 formulas, sine rule or cosine rule. Sine rule is about opposite one. And then if sine rule cannot use, only we use cosine rule because sine rule is much easier than cosine rule. Okay, so we check. This KM. To find this KM, we need the angle opposite it. But we don't know this angle. No, we actually know this angle. Why? Look at triangle KLM. The total interior of a triangle, it will be equals to 180 degrees. Agree? Okay, so the angle KLM, it can be found by taking 180 degrees minus 31 degrees. After that, minus my 85 degrees. Find the angle KLM first. Angle KLM equals to 180 degrees minus 31 degrees minus 85 degrees. Use a calculator. Equals to 64 degrees. And I always have a practice. I will write it out. So that I know what happened, and I do hope that you can have this practice too. 64 degrees. Now I can apply my sine rule. Sine 64 degrees over km, it will be equals to 31 sine 31 degrees over its opposite length, which is 7.2 cm. Okay, so we calculate. Km will be equals to 7.2 multiplied by sine 64 divided by sine 31 equals to 12.565 cm. Done for part 1. And don't forget, after we have this information, always update your diagram. 12.565. Okay, good. A part 1 done. Next, let's proceed to A part 2. Find the angle KNM. Find the angle KNM. Let me use green color. Angle KNM, yeah? K to N to M. K to N to M. So this is what I want. This is what I want. Oh, can you see that I have actually this? I have Kn, the length of Kn. I have the length of Mn. Okay, I have Kn. I have Mn, and I want to find this angle. But I do have this Km. Can you see that? Okay, never mind. I can draw it out for you. I can sketch it out for you. Sketch it small, a small one. K, M, N. This is what we want to find. Kn equals to 9 cm. Mn equals to 5 cm. And from A part 1, we know the value that my Km equals to 12.565 cm. So very good. We want to find this. Okay? Opposite of it, 12.565, A part 2. 12.565 square equals to 9 square plus 5 square minus 2, 9, 5 cos, maybe I write here, never mind, cos angle K and M. And you must be careful, this is a multiplication, this is a multiplication. 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 5 multiplied by cos K and M. Okay, so this is a group 1. Cos angle K and M equals to 9 square plus 5 square minus 12.565 square divided by 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 5. You get negative 0.5764. So your angle K and M equals to 125.2 degree. 125.2 degree. Update your diagram. 125.2 degree. So done A part 2. Next, let's proceed to A part 3. The area of quadrilateral KLMN. When we want to find area of quadrilateral, we must find the area of triangle, then we plus up the two area. A3. Let's find area of triangle KLM first. Area of triangle KLM. Choose the angle that you have both sides and also angle 1. So of course it's very obvious that we need to choose KM, LM, and also the angle 85 degree. Okay, because we have a complete set of that, it will be much easier. 1/2, 12.565 multiplied by 7.2 multiplied by sine 85 degree. 1/2, 12.565 multiplied by 7.2 multiplied by sine 85 degree. You get 45.062 cm square. Next, the second step, we need to find the area of triangle K and M. Okay, this is only one choice, like this one. KN, MN, and this angle. 1/2, 9, 5 sine 125.2 degree. 1/2, 9, 5 sine 125.2 degree. You get 18.386 cm square. Okay, now area of quadrilateral KLMN. Area of letter rho K, L, M, N, it will be equals to, we plus out these two, 45.062 plus 18.386. That equals to 63.448 cm square. Remember to write the unit for your final answer. Okay, good. So we are done for part A. And then you will realize that for part A, it will be easy. And for part B, yes, part B here it comes the ambiguous case that I discussed to you just now. So let us read the question carefully. Sketch a triangle K prime, M prime, N prime that has a different shape from triangle KMN, such that K prime M prime equals to KM, N prime M prime equals to NM, and the most important thing is, this is the most important one, the angle N prime K prime M prime, you have to find it out. I'm going to use violet color. This is the thing that I want. This is the thing that I want. It must be same with angle NKM. The angle must be the same. This is from where we start. We should start from here, okay? So let me sketch it here. At first, we need to sketch out, we need to draw out the original triangle first. So let me use violet color to sketch out the original one. K, M, N. Sorry. Okay, like this. Okay? K, M, N. Just now what I say, the angle is the most important one. So this angle cannot be changed. This angle cannot be changed. Use your hand to help you. K, M, and N. Okay? K, M, and N. We have three lines, right? For a triangle, it should be a three lines thing. So since I say this angle cannot be changed, this is my line KM. If I change my KM up or down, then my angle will be changed, correct? So KM, I cannot move. I cannot move. Now let's check on KN. If I move it down, I move it up, move it down, move it up, what happened? The angle will change also, correct? So this, KN also cannot move. Since KM cannot move, KN cannot move, which line should I move? Of course, I should move my MN. I should move my MN lines. Okay? Move your MN lines. And then now, you know that you need to move your MN lines. You need to make your line K and make it longer. Okay? Make your KN line longer. You extend it. Let me use yellow color. I extend it. Then you need your compass. The one with pencil, you put it on point N. And then the one that with needle one, you put it on point M, and then you open it. The length should be the length of MN. Okay? The length should be the length of MN. You open it. The one with needle, you put it on top of point M. The one with pencil, you put it on top of point N. After that, what you do? You draw a curve. Of course, my curve not nice one because I freehand one. Okay, you draw a curve. After that, this point, the intersection point, will be your new point N. This will be your new point N. Join it up. You join it up. Okay? Of course, mine was not nice because I freehand. Then now you have to see. You check again the question. K prime M prime equals to Kn. K prime M prime equals to Kn. So now this K will be equals to my K prime. M will be equals to my M prime. Equals to Km. Yes, good. Which is 12.565 cm. After that, N prime M prime. This is my M prime. N prime M prime equals to Mn. 5 cm. 5 cm. Because just now we used compass to draw, right? Remember? Okay, because the question never mentioned that Kn must be the same. That's why I can extend my Kn. Okay, so here you go, my another triangle. So let me draw out the final answer by using yellow color pen for you so that you can see clearer. So this is the answer. Triangle K prime, N prime, M prime, which has a different shape from my original triangle KNM, but at the same time, the length of Km equals to the length of K prime M prime. The length of Mn equals to the length of M prime M prime, and the angle MKN or MKM equals to N prime K prime M prime, which means the angle never change. You have to always check all the three conditions before you finalize your answer. So this is done for part B, but don't forget, there's another question. Hence, state the angle K prime, N prime, M prime. Find out K prime, N prime, M prime. I want this angle. I want to know this angle. What is that? Checking back to my question. Look at my original question. I know that the angle KNM, this angle, this angle equals to 125.2 degree. This angle equals to 125.2 degree. You have to know that KNN prime is a straight line. It's a straight line. That's why this angle can be found. This angle can be found by using 180 degree minus 125.2 degree, which give me 54.8 degree. Okay, and then now listen to me. Mn equals to M prime N prime. The length, they are the same. 5 cm and 5 cm. So which means the triangle this triangle, N prime or M prime, this should form an isosceles triangle. Correct? 它们是一个等腰线 isosceles triangle. And for isosceles triangle, these two angles, they shall be the same. They shall be the same. So which means that from this, I know my answer. I can write out that the angle K prime, N prime, M prime equals to 180 degree minus minus 125.2 degree, which is 54.8 degree. Do you understand what I mean? So this is for the discussion. Basically, this is what you have to learn in chapter 9 lah. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to talk about a cyclic quadrilateral, which means a quadrilateral inside a circle, and of course there are triangles too, and then we will talk about the shortest distance. Okay, so If you have any problem, don't be shy to ask me. You can always reach me from my Instagram account, Poland Number Artist, or you can also comment below so that I know that you face a problem. If you want to have this, then you may also get it from my Instagram account. Okay? So that's all for today's class. See you all in the next video. Bye bye!